Right guys, so I've been sent a package from a company called MaxTronic, and they're on Amazon and they specialise in RC cars, and they've just asked if I could review and test one of their products, which is the little MaxTronic racing car. Now these come in three various colours, red, green and blue. And looking at it by the little red dot here, they've sent me a red one. Now it's got quite a few features. It's 2.4 gig, so it's on shock absorbers, it's electric and full scale, i.e. forward, reverse, left, right, etc. And it's suited for ages 8+. Now, going to the back of the box, this is pretty much all the model car features. So the remote control, you've got your indicator lights, i.e. your indicators not for left or right, but your indication as to whether it's turned on or off. Steering trims, so if it's going a little bit to one side, you can straighten it up. You've got your power switch, your on off, and the battery box at the bottom, and it does require 3 AA batteries, the 1.5 volt small pencil batteries. And there's your throttle, your forward, brake, backwards, and coming to the main chassis itself. Oh sorry, you need a little jog wheel there for your steering left and right. But coming to the main chassis itself, as you can see, you've got a 2.4 gig wireless receiver there, high speed motors to power that 4-wheel drive system, pre and post absorbers, high capacity lithium battery, rubber tyres, and with bearing differentials. So these are currently on Amazon. I will drop the link in the description down below, and they're currently retailing at £49.99 or something like that, £45.99. It does state here the battery, your run time is up to 20 to 25 minutes or so. It doesn't give the charging time of it, but it says you've got a range of over 50 metres. So that's not bad going. It's a bit of fun. The first thing in the box, after sales service card. So those are the contents of the package, and looking inside here we get a little like a battery charger and 2 pencil type batteries, which I'm guessing those are your lithium ion batteries, and a little USB stick in there also, and some spare body pins. So the USB plug there for charging, so you can charge that out of your power bank or your laptop, etc. Now sometimes these come with a bit of pre-charge. We may have to go back and charge them and then bring it back out, but we'll get to that in a moment. Now coming to the car itself, we've got those nice little squishy rubber tyres, a little Lexan type body, and it's on a little 4-wheel independent suspension setup. The front and the rear. Now it is made of nylon, this, so it is quite a durable plastic. So if we just take these body pins out, and let's take a little look at the chassis here. So here is your inbuilt wireless 2.4 receiver, and here is your motor. So no doubt that powers little diffs in here, which will drive these cups at the rear, and these cups and shafts here to the front. Little imitation bumper with the spotlights on. So looks like something fun for the kids, and in all honesty I can't actually wait to have a do with it myself. It's quite fun. And here we've got that 2.4 radio control. We'll pop some batteries into here, and we'll take the batteries out of here now, and we'll pop them into the truck, and let's see if we have any charge whatsoever. If not, we'll come back and continue the video later on with some fully charged batteries. So on the bottom of the truck you have your little battery tray kind of thing that just clips off there. Just turn this on a sec. So yeah, we'll go and give these a quick charge. I'm not sure on the charging time, that might be in the manual here somewhere. It's quite a big manual for a little RC car, but it has all the parts list and everything in there. So it's charging time. So the charging time takes approximately 150 minutes, which works out 2.5 hours. So we shall come back out in 2.5 hours time and take a little look-see at this truggy type vehicle. So we've charged the batteries up in this little RC car, and now to hand it over to Leyland for testing. So remember, finger just a little bit on the trigger. Awesomely fast. So it's a MaxTronic 120 scale trugger. But yeah, what a wick little thing. Dog loves it too. Pretty grippy too, 4-wheel drive, epic. So we've had this out on the front street on the tarmac and it's awesome. So now Leanna's going to have a skedaddly doo-doo on the grass, aren't you mate? This grass might be a little bit long, sweetheart. So that's the 120 scale truggy from MaxTronic. I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can purchase that on Amazon. Awesome car, little girl loves it, dog loves it. I love it. And it is a zippy little thing. So get yourselves on Amazon if you like the car and you want one. Click the link, it'll take you straight to the car. And the rest of you guys, thanks for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers guys, ciao for now. Forwards.